here, toward the train to gate 1. I mean terminal 1. So, tingnan mo. Ito ay luggages. Diretso na dito. And then, ang declaration ihatag lang. That's it. Exit ang amo car is nasa gate 12. This is our ride. First hour, 12 midnight. We need some food. Yeah. How about hot dog? Kumuha na ako niyan. That's my favorite. Mo Yakult. O banana di ay. You like banana? Gami oh. O gabi. Your favorite. Ganahan ko niyo. I like that one. Beautiful. Library, and then balik pupunta tayo Myeongdong, so Samseong Station, there you go, follow the line lang. We are going to Cathedral. May mga auto leaves pa. Yellow leaves. That's Myeongdong Cathedral. Where? We are studying Myeongdong again. It's my devotion kapag kanina mo sa Seoul mo agi good mo kami sa cathedral. We are here at Myeongdong Street na. Ba't wala kami money? We need to change. Si Jeremy andun na. Jeremy and his papa. Ako naman, dyan ako sa Pavi, Pat, and later sa Oliviang. So, let's go. Pavi, Pat. Gami, I'm entering na. This is for Gami.
Wow, I almost haven't cracked my knuckle.
That's Biondo. Lah, kay naaman di ay. Mangita daw kit. Classical music. Ay, Rhapsody. Wow. So our day one shopping. My favorite. I have 3. This one is free. Ayan sila, free. Free lang yan. This is siyempre wrinkle. Ito sa mga milasma akin yan. Yung favorite ko na pangtanggal. This is yung patch. Wala na ako yan. And then the collagen. Oopsie. Collagen. This is for Gabi. Lip. Sa lips. Ito facial water mask. Sleeping mask. I have the niacinamide. Ito kay Gabi daw to. Essence. Vitamin C. The ordinary niacinamide. Ordinary na retinol. Ito mga pimple patches. At saka ito. Pimple patches. And then this one. I have the buy one take one. Ito sa lips. And the peptide. 6 peptides. I got 2. So far yun muna. This is our Noche Buena. We have strawberry, grapes, cherry, beagle, egg tart, chocolate, burnt. Ewan ko kung ano yan. Tapos ewan ko kung ano yan. May tinapay, may meat. Kinuha ko lang kasi paborito ni Gabi. Yun, and thank you for the flowers, Papa Jer.